अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सबसे पहले मैं आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि आप सब यहाँ तशरीफ लाए। आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने का मकसद मेरा मिक्स मैनिफेस्टो शेयर करना है, जिसमें 77 पब्लिक पॉलिसीज, 208 पॉइंट्स विद 5 ओपिनियंस एंड 3 कोर्स शामिल हैं। मैं सबका उम्मीदवार मैंने भी हूँ। मैंने लास्ट ईयर 2023 में NA52 से बाई इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था, लेकिन इस्लामाबाद हाई कोर्ट के स्टे ऑर्डर्स की वजह से इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन हो गए थे। तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने मिक्स मैनिफेस्टो का आगाज अपने लिखे हुए शेर से करूँगा। कांटे बिछाने वालों ने क्या खूब कांटे बिछाए, कांटे बिछाने वालों ने क्या खूब कांटे बिछाए, हम कांटों को आग लगाकर अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचाए। Now I will start sharing my mixed manifesto with my first quote about country. If you want to destroy a country's infrastructure and its economy, then start and promote civil war in that country. If you want to destroy a country's economy, then start and promote terrorism in that country. If you want to win a battle against country easily, then first start civil war in that country and then put the war on it. Second quote is about political party. When political party gives manifesto in which he says we will do this, etc., big dreams without giving solution for boosting economy, it's impossible. That party is telling a lie to get vote. If economy is depending on loan, how is it possible? They start mega projects or control inflation or fulfill promises with underrated economy. It's impossible. Third quote is about political person. That quote is in Urdu and Patwari language. अगर हल्के में गलत काम हो रहे हों, अगर हल्के में गलत काम हो रहे हों और अवामी नुमाइंदे खामोश हों, तो इसका मतलब है कुत्ती चोरा न मिलेगी या कुत्ती चोरा को डरेगी। Now I will start sharing by 77 public policies. First policy, Islamic policy. As per Islamic policy, an amendment must be done in Pakistan Article 227, which states the Quran and Sunnah of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, shall be our supreme law as a Muslim. All decisions and punishment shall be made in accordance with Quran and Sunnah, with a maximum of 15 days for normal cases and 30 days for complicated cases. In matters not clearly defined or addressed in Quran and Sunnah, ijma shall be preferred. No rule or law shall be made that contradicts Islamic laws and principles. Policy on reverence and respect. Nobody is allowed to burn the Quran, any type of false words about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, or about Ahlul Bayt and Sahaba. If someone do this, its punishment will be death of that person. The government is allowed to take action against him quickly without wasting time. People work simply is to register complaint to relevant authority. Implementation of Islamic laws. Removal of co-education, building of Islamic desks. Doctors and teachers policy. Male doctors examine male patients. Female doctors examine female patients. Male teachers teach male students. Female teachers teach female students. This will increase more job opportunities for females. Mosque policy. Fixing and making calendar of prayers according to city. 24 hours mosque is open. Islamic programs shall be done a day. Building more madaris. Handicapped persons policy. Special jobs will be given to handicapped persons and other privileges will be also given in shape of income. Special funds for Ahlul Bayt. Special fund institute is created for Ahlul Bayt, in which pure money is given to the descendants of Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Abbas, Hazrat Jafar, Hazrat Aqib in time of need as a gift, because zakat, donation, etc. are haram on that. And since 1947, nobody raised that matter.